With an endless sea of competitors vying for new customers and promoting their products and services, it can be tough to cut through the clutter, get noticed, and grow your brand. From leveraging the power of hashtags to using the best sales automation tools, these tips and tricks will give you the edge you need to stand out in the crowded social media arena. What are hacks in social media? Social media hacks refer to strategies or techniques used to maximize the benefits of social media marketing for your brand. These hacks can help you improve your visibility, increase engagement, and grow your brand on social media platforms. Hacks in social media can be used by businesses, self-entrepreneurs, or any brand looking to grow its online presence. These hacks aim to make the most of your time and resources as a small business owner by using creative and effective strategies to reach your target audience. By implementing these growth hacks, you can grab attention on social media and supercharge your brand growth. Top 11 Social Media Hacks to Grow Your Business. Whether you're a business owner, an entrepreneur, or a digital marketer looking to increase your brand's visibility, these hacks will help you grab the attention of your target audience and make a splash on social media. 1. Use trending topics to increase brand visibility. One of the most effective ways to increase brand visibility is by participating in trending topics. By leveraging trending topics, you can get noticed by your target audience and drive traffic to your social media profiles. This not only helps you get noticed but also shows your audience that you're in tune with what's happening in the world and things that are relevant to their interests. This will help you tap into the buzz around the trend and increase your reach. But don't just blindly jump into any trend. Ensure the trending topic is relevant to your brand and aligns with your values and messaging. The key is to be creative and relevant to add value to the conversation. By doing so, you can increase your brand visibility and stand out from the crowd on social media. 2. Focus on the networks that matter. Social media marketing is not about being everywhere but being present where it matters the most. As such, you should focus on the networking that matters to your target audience and can help you maximize your time, resources, and results. Identify where your audience hangs out and show up with bells on. It could be Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, or even a niche platform. The key is to have a presence where your audience is actively engaging and participating. 3. Mashup content. Mashup content is like a musical mashup but with social media content. It's when you take two or more pieces of content and merge them to create something new and exciting. Or you can merge different forms of content, such as text, images, and videos, to create a single yet more powerful and engaging post. Imagine taking your latest blog post and turning it into an infographic. Or you may want to turn your Instagram stories into a video. This hack is simply about being creative, standing out, and maximizing your existing content. This way, you can give your existing content a fresh look, reach a wider audience, and keep your followers engaged. In other words, you give your content a makeover and a second chance to shine. In fact, there's no harm in getting experimental and seeing what kind of magic you can create by mashing up your content on social media. Your followers will thank you for the new and exciting content, and your brand will stand out like a beacon of creativity. 4. Capitalize on influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is like having a secret weapon in your social media arsenal. By partnering with social media influencers in your industry or niche, you can tap into their already established and engaged audience and introduce your brand to a whole new group of potential customers. Think of it like a group of friends. You trust your friends' recommendations, right? The same goes for your followers and the influencers they follow. By aligning with influencers, you can show your brand in a positive light and increase your visibility in a fun and exciting way. Plus, it's a win-win situation. The influencer gets to promote a brand they love and support, and your brand gets to reach a wider audience and gain new followers. 5. Identify the best posting time. It's no secret that timing is critical in social media marketing. To maximize engagement, it's important to identify the best posting time for your target audience. Different social media platforms have different peak times, and posting during these times can increase engagement and reach. For example, if your target audience is primarily active on Facebook during lunchtime and in the evenings, you should schedule your posts for those times. You can use tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule your posts and determine the best posting times for your brand. Use cross-posting on social media often. 6. Native advertising. Native advertising is your undercover agent on social media. It blends in seamlessly with the content on a platform and looks and feels like it's a natural part of the user experience. In simple terms, native advertising refers to advertising that is integrated into the content of a social media platform. It looks like regular content but is clearly labeled as an advertisement. Native advertising can be more effective than traditional ads as it blends in with the content and is less likely to be ignored. This makes it a great way to grab the attention of your target audience and promote your brand in a subtle and non-intrusive way. By creating content that's relevant and valuable to your target audience, you can show your brand in a positive light and increase your visibility without being pushy or annoying. Plus, because it blends in with the content, users are more likely to engage with it and take action. So why not join the ranks of the stealthy and get your native advertising game on point? 7. LinkedIn Publishing. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for businesses, especially B2B companies. LinkedIn Publishing allows you to become a published author on the world's largest professional network. Using this feature, you can share your thoughts, opinions, and expertise with a massive audience and position yourself as a thought leader in your industry or niche. Think of it as being a guest on a talk show. By sharing your insights and knowledge, you get to showcase your expertise and reach a wider audience. The same goes for LinkedIn Publishing. By consistently publishing high-quality content, you can attract more followers, establish yourself as a go-to source for information, and even drive traffic back to your website. 8. Optimize your social media profiles. Optimizing your social media profiles is a crucial step in growing your brand on social media. It's like the window dressing to your virtual storefront. You want to ensure it's eye-catching and inviting. By optimizing your profiles, you can increase your visibility, improve search rankings, and make a positive first impression with potential customers. Make sure to upload a profile picture and header image that accurately represent your brand. What's more, include keywords in your profile description and fill out all relevant information fields. Plus, your bio must accurately represent your brand and include relevant keywords to help increase your visibility in search results. It is also good to use the same profile picture and cover photo across all your social media platforms for consistency and brand recognition. And don't forget to regularly update your profiles to keep your followers engaged and informed. 9. Repurpose popular content. Why spend time and resources creating new content from scratch when you can repurpose your popular content? Repurposing popular content means taking your existing content and modifying it for a different audience or platform. For example, you can turn a popular blog post into a social media post or create a series of posts based on a popular video. By repurposing your content, you can reach a wider audience and increase engagement. This hack will help engage your followers, reach a wider audience, and give your content a fresh look. 10. Use automation tools. Social media management can be time-consuming, but automation tools can help streamline the process. Tools like Hootsuite or Buffer allow you to schedule posts, track analytics, and manage multiple social media accounts in one place. Using automation tools is like having a trusty sidekick on your social media journey. They can handle the tedious tasks, freeing up your time and allowing you to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of your social media marketing. 11. Use the right hashtags. Hashtags are like the magic words of social media, unlocking a world of endless possibilities. They are a powerful tool for increasing reach and engagement on social media. By using relevant hashtags, you can reach a wider audience and get noticed by potential customers. For example, if you are a clothing brand, you can use hashtags like #fashion, #style, and #outfit inspiration to reach your target audience. But with millions of hashtags in circulation, how do you know which ones will work for your brand? Well, it's all about finding the perfect balance between popular and specific. Sure, you want to use hashtags that are widely used, but you also want to make sure they're relevant to your brand. The key is to strike a balance between the two and create a winning hashtag combination. In other words, it's always a good idea to use a mix of popular and niche-specific hashtags to increase your visibility and reach the right audience. These social media hacks can be a fun and effective way to grow your brand in the digital world. Using these tips and tricks, you can increase your visibility, engage with your target audience, and ultimately drive brand growth for your business. But it's important to remember that these hacks should be used in conjunction with a solid social media strategy and high-quality content. Social media is dynamic, and it is constantly evolving, so you must stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices to continue growing your brand. Go ahead and give these social media hacks a try and see the results for yourself. Happy social media marketing hacking!